Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2007-2009 Cadillac SRX? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself. These SRX models use a manual, vehicle-based programming method. You'll need your key fob with a fresh CR232 battery and the vehicle's keys. No special tools are required. This is relevant if you've lost a fob, replaced one due to damage, or the battery died. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this cycle. Within 30 seconds of the last cycle, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously. The vehicle should respond, usually with a flash of the lights, indicating successful pairing. Repeat for additional fobs if needed. This method syncs the fob's radio frequency with your car's body control module. If it doesn't work, ensure the battery is new and try again, making sure to complete each step fully.